everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. I have another Mother's Day treat box to share with you. This could be used for any occasion. Because Mother's Day is coming, I thought it'd be really cute to make another one for Mother's Day. So it is this one right here. You can fit lots of goodies in this. It's a good size. The box itself is 4 inches by 1 by 3. So it's a really good size. It's super cute, I think. So I hope you like this one. I'm going to change the colors up, of course. You know how I love to do that. And so we are going to be making this today. I am using some of the new in colors coming May 1st. So we are going to use Summer Splash for this one. I am using some of the new Designer Series paper. And the stamp set that I am using is the Planted Paradise. Now you have so many options with this. You can make these planters any way that you want with any of these pots, any of these leaves. They are two-sided stamps, so you can stamp plain or you can stamp with the image. I'm using the images on this one, but you can mix and match these leaves. You can make some really, really cute planters with this. So for the sentiment, I use the mini alphabet dies. Now this is so good because you can cut out a bunch of letters and you can save them. I have things started here with all my alphabets in it, but it cuts out all these at one time. It's got little hashtags and commas and question marks and all that as well. And this one is so good. You know how I love the alphabets anyway. I'm not going to use the alphabet one this time. I'm going to use the Charming Sentiments right here. And I'm going to use the Just For You on here. So you can use this. I just want to show you can use this for any occasion. It doesn't have to be for Mother's Day. All right, so this piece right here that we are using for the box part is 8.5 by 6. And then the matted piece is 3 3/4 by 2 7/8. So for those of you who are new, you know I put an inspiration sheet on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. But if you're not new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and share with your friends. Because yes, all those things help my channel. All right, so I did some of the stamping and cutting because you do have to fussy cut these. And I am using some of the new in colors as well. So I am using the Petunia Pop with this one because it has it in this Designer Series paper. So I thought we'll match that one. I think we might do it this way this time. I'm not sure. We may still do it this way. And then I can put the sentiment off to the side. I did stamp the leaves. And I stamped this time those leaves in Old Olive, and then I stamped these in Mossy Meadow. So we have different colors here. I just want to show you you can use different colors on the leaves and just create what you want. First thing I'm going to do is put this together. So I fussy cut all these, but you could use your scan and cut because I did for this first one. I used my scan and cut on that. And I just cut out a bunch of different pieces, but then when I decided to change the colors, I didn't think these were going to all work out, but I used this to cut all these leaves that I stamped with the scan and cut. My scan and cut is linked in the description below for those of you who are interested because I love the scan and cut. All right, so I'm going to use my wet glue for this, and we're just going to put some on here on the bottom because we're going to add it to this right here. And then we're going to put these this time hanging down. So let's see how I want that. I'm going to put the glue on here, and I'm going to put quite a bit so that it'll catch all 3 of these. So we're going to see this one there maybe, and then this one in the center. Yeah. You can color in this. On my other one, I colored this Lemon Lolly because this is Lemon Lolly and these are Lemon Lolly, and I used Highland Heather for this part. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to just grab one of my new Summer Splash, and I think I'll use the dark on this one, and I'm just going to color these little dots. So I'm just going to dot it just to bring this color into this as well. So I'm just going to dot those. Just like that, just to add it so it coordinates with the others. All right, now I want to put a little bow on this one as well, and I think I'm going to use this right here, which is the 3 twine combo pack, and this is probably going away, y'all, so our retiring list is out. Go check that out. There are things on there now that are on sale for 60%, up to 60% off, so it's on my blog. You can check it out there. The retiring list, the last chance list is what it's called. So I think I'm going to put that one on there. I think I'm going to make this bow a little bit smaller though, because this is small. Let's glue that on there, and it coordinates with the little dots on here. So I'm going to do that for that one. So you see that? Isn't that cute? Just love this bundle. This stamp set is so, so cute. When I first got it, I didn't think I was going to like it because I don't go for flowers a lot and plants a lot, but it really turned out really cute. All right, so we are going to score this. And we are going to score this at on the 8.5 inch side at 1/2, 3.5, 4.5, and 7.5. And you're going to turn it and score it at 1 and 5. Ooh, guess what? I did not bring up my, oh, it's sitting right here. I didn't think I had it here. My wax paper, so that I don't go off like I have been. I don't know. I gotta fix it now because it's gonna bug me. Okay, we'll just make that the back if it shows. No, looks good. All right, so what we're gonna do here now is we are gonna fold these, and we are going to sharpen these score marks. This box is pretty cute, I think. I'm just doing something a little bit different on it. And all you're going to do is you're not cutting anything off, you're just going to glue this. So I am going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus on this 1/2 inch glue tab right here. There we go. And you're going to line this up on the sides here. And you are going to squeeze. I'm going to turn it on this side because that's going to be the bottom. This is going to be my front. So I don't like to see the seam. So you're going to press that down really good. And you're going to take your little snips, and where that line is, I'm going to draw it for you so that you can see where this line is right here. And I'm going to do this on all, and then I'm going to cut across here. I'm going to cut a V across just like that. So I'm going to take my snips, and you're going to, the score mark is going to be your middle line. So you're cutting this like a cracker, a Christmas cracker kind of. And I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'm going to do the same on this side. And you're making little notches. That's where our ribbon's going to go. And then we're going to do the same thing on this one. And before you put your ribbon on, you could put it on one side, but don't forget to add your candy or your small gift, whatever you're going to use for it. So try to make them about the same size. You're cutting through quite a bit, so you need some pretty sharp little snips. Okay, so we got the little notches all in there. This is really an easy box, y'all. I'm using some of the new Summer Splash ribbon, and we are going to make a bow. So you're going to put it right in those notches. I need more ribbon. And then tie your bow. This ribbon is really nice, y'all. I need to do it this way though. I'm getting it all tangled up. And tie it pretty tight. When there's nothing in it, it's really, really hard to, to tie. This ribbon a little bit smaller here. It's a really pretty ribbon. It's almost like a linen looking ribbon. This is going to be our new in color ribbon, and it's going to come in all our new in colors. So we're going to do that one. I wish I had something to fill this with on my desk, but I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and just tie the ribbon on this side as well. I usually have candy up here. By the way, I did start doing a haul for y'all, a Dollar Tree haul. A lot of you have said you wanted to see a Dollar Tree haul, and I got a lot of goodies, not only candy, but other things that we can make boxes for. So I'm excited about that. That may be coming like sometime next week or maybe the week after, because I didn't get everything that I wanted to get. I'm going to go to a different Dollar Tree because I saw some other things that I wanted to get, but they didn't have them at the Dollar Tree that I went to. So I'm going to go check that out maybe this weekend or when I'm off one day next week. So it's coming soon. So there you have our little ribbon tied. I'm going to grab my matting piece here. This is really an easy one too, y'all. And we're going to put this piece on here. Isn't that pretty, those colors? When I first did the Lemon Lolly one, I thought, oh, this is too pastel. I like the bright colors. You know, my favorite Stampin' Up! Colors are the Brights collection. I think I'm going to put this one on this way, and then I'm going to stamp the sentiment here with my VersaFine, and it's going to be just for you. I wanted to do a lot of it ahead of time, so this video didn't take me forever. By the way, y'all, I am doing a collaboration with Journal Say. It's a stationery journaling company, and it's probably going to post on Monday. So y'all check it out, because I am really been wanting to start journaling, and then out of nowhere this company asked me if I would collaborate with them. And I don't get anything, y'all. I don't get money or anything for it. And they did give me a discount code, and y'all, their prices are so good. Honestly, you don't need a discount code. And they have the cutest, I'll show you the journal page that I did. I'm going to do one more dimensional because we're popping this up. And I don't like to do collaborations unless it's something I'm really, really like or I'm interested in. So, yeah. So there you go. There's our little planter. Isn't that cute? I really like that. I like the Just For You because it could be for any occasion or anyone. And I love these new in colors. And they're so pretty together. They all work really good together. So it's coming May 1st, y'all. Start making your wish list. So there you have it. There's two little examples for you to try for Mother's Day. So I hope you like them, everyone. And I'm going to show you the journal page that I did. I only did one. It's my first one I ever did, but I used to journal when I was a teenager, and it was a lot of fun. So I thought, since journaling's gotten really big, I decided I'm gonna start journaling again. And here is the journal page that I made for this one. It's kind of coffee related. It is coffee related, but I have little coffee cups here. These images, these are all from that company. Everything on here is from that company. And y'all, so fun, and so you can be so creative with this. So yeah, I hope you come and watch the tutorial on Monday, because it's going to be really fun. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.